Effective financial planning is a critical component of growing and scaling a business. Here are some steps to take to make your business reach the next level with effective financial planning. Set clear goals and objectives. Before you can start creating a financial plan, you need to have a clear understanding of your business goals and objectives. This will help you determine the resources and investments needed to achieve them. Create a budget. A budget is a roadmap for your business's financial future. It helps you allocate resources effectively, plan for future expenses, and avoid overspending. Make sure your budget is realistic and based on accurate data. Track your cash flow. Cash flow is the lifeblood of any business. To improve your cash flow, you need to track your income and expenses closely, identify areas of waste or inefficiency, and develop strategies to increase revenue and reduce costs. Forecast your financials. Use historical data and future projections to create financial forecasts that help you plan for the future. This includes revenue projections, cash flow forecasts, and profit and loss statements. Manage your debt. Debt can be a valuable tool for growing your business, but it can also be a burden if not managed properly. Make sure you have a plan for paying off debt, and consider refinancing or consolidating debt to reduce interest rates and fees. Invest wisely. Smart investments can help your business grow and scale, but they can also be risky. Make sure you understand the risks and rewards of each investment opportunity, and develop a strategy for managing your portfolio. Review your financials regularly. Regularly review your financials to ensure you are on track to achieve your goals. This includes monitoring key performance indicators, such as revenue growth, profitability, and customer acquisition. Work with a financial advisor. A financial advisor can provide valuable insights and guidance on how to manage your business finances effectively. They can help you create a comprehensive financial plan and provide ongoing support and advice. By taking these steps, you can create an effective financial plan that helps your business reach the next level and achieve long-term success.